You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words. It's a bit confusing. The spelling makes it a bit confusing, but then it's pretty straightforward once you know both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. So let's break it down. Tribute. Tree, not try. Tree. The stress goes on that first tree syllable. And then butte. Tribute. Easy once you know tribute. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.